Okay, so now in this using the if condition, we want to create a game as I was talking about, right? Let's say guess a number. We want to go and create this very simple game, guess a number. And for that, we will have some numbers. Okay, guess a number between whatever. So we will start the code and we say that, okay, so the print. So let's say this is for user. You need to guess a number. Okay, you need to guess a number. Let's say between 0 to 5. For example, this is what we want first, the user to go and read the statement, right? And then we will go and say, okay, there we go. Please enter the number. Please enter the number, right? Well, this is a very, I know, basic example, but this is how you will learn, isn't it? So later on, when we start using all these in the practical situations, then obviously I will not re-explain the things because I will assume then that you have done already all these things. Okay, so you have to practice, guys, regularly. Please remember that, because as we move ahead, a lot of things are going to come, and that can create a problem if your previous concepts, whatever you have learned, is not clear. Okay, so see, I'm going to actually ask going to change this to int, right? So because we want the input from the user. Fine, right? Now here I can say that if x is equals to, so let's give him a maybe two choices. So I say that if x is equals to 3 or x is equals to maybe, let's say 4, right? Then what I want to do, then I want to say, hey, you won the game, right? You won the game. Okay, and otherwise I use else colon, and then I say that try again, for example, isn't it? Sorry, try again. In this way, we can write this. Okay, now why I'm writing here or, because if the number is 3, you can't write here and, otherwise condition will always fail, because user is going to give you just a one number. User is going to give you one number. So if that number is 3, for example, you can't write here and, because then you're saying it has to be 3 and 4. Both the things, both can't be, your number can't be 3 and 4 at the same time. So we will go and write or, right? And that why I have converted this to integer, because input otherwise will return the data type as string. Very simple, right? So I hope you're loving this now, the things, because all are getting connected with each other. So you need to guess a number. Okay, yes, so I'm going to guess a number as 5, and sorry, try again. Wow, fantastic, right? Now the next question comes that can we please give them 3 attempts, for example, and we can increase the range from 1 to 10. Yes, you can. For that we have to learn the loops, and that also we will see. Don't worry. So I go and run this, and I now say 3, for example, you won the game. Okay, so guys, the things we are learning, you never know that where they are going to connect when you write the project. Because when you write the project, we assume that obviously you will work with the project when you know the everything about this language, at least 70-80% of the things. So you never know when you're calculating something, when you're creating some logic, which thing you will pick that, oh, I think this should be used. So that's why I'm trying to go slow, and also I'm trying to use the things which we have already also covered, so that there will be some vision gets created in your mind, and the concept that creativity should come. Okay, so that's how we go and use the if.